I, of course, love FIRST. I've been a part of it for a very long time. I went to UCSD, and my major there was human biology, and I did a minor in healthcare and social issues because I've always been very interested in medicine. I really found a love and passion for scientific research, which is what I ended up doing. So after undergraduate, I went to graduate school at UC Irvine, and where my focus was microbiology and molecular genetics. And specifically, I did work on colon cancer. And so I got my PhD from UC Irvine. And for the last 2.5 years, I've been at UCLA, where I work in a lab and we study the genetics of autism. A lot of different aspects that have kind of fed into how I have gone on my career path that I can really attribute to FIRST. Kind of on a more practical sense, I'm very good at fixing lab equipment. When talking to different professors, they're always intrigued that I have a big section in my resume involving robotics. But on the kind of more general sense, I think that my experience with FIRST has really kind of given me this whole community that's now international of people who have expertise in a lot of really interesting things. And I can feel comfortable reaching out to all these people and asking for their input or for a kind of second opinion from a different angle for a problem that I might be having trouble solving. One of the big takeaways that I've also taken from FIRST is the fact that having a career that you're passionate about will really be a great motivator for success. It's knowing that I have a research project that I'm very interested in finding the solution to, that has the potential to impact lives down the line, is really, it's a huge motivator for me. I'm really excited by the work that the people in my lab and I'm doing. Having been involved as a student and then as a mentor and now as a volunteer, I've seen so many students take what they've learned through FIRST and apply it to non-STEM being like not directly associated with STEM, but still tangentially related. But all of those career paths gain something from the critical thinking skills that they learned in FIRST and the kind of problem solving aspects that they picked up. I think that one of the coolest takeaways is that, yeah, this is an engineering thing. Of course, we're going to have a lot of people that end up being mechanical engineers, but to see the diversity that has come out of the program is also pretty amazing, that these same people are inspired to do so many different things outside of just building a robot.